Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. Dear friends, today I am again going to show you the total dyeing process of any fabric, showing a practical video, live video. The same thing actually I discussed early and I showed earlier throughout my another session. That's also I showed the flowchart through a PowerPoint, the step by step total process. Today I'm going to actually discuss the same but showing a practical live video that you can get more engagement. You'd get more clear. That's why. So, dear friends, please beat me and see my video. I think really it would be the master of total dyeing process. Yes, I'm sharing the video. Please beat me.
See the video.
After receiving the grape, yeah, from the first of heart, using the nozzle machine. See the nozzle machine here. It is showing. It is a nozzle machine. Using this nozzle machine, you can see the blow. The I mean is going, and through the blow the total fabric is spreading. After the spreading, you can see the machine, nozzle machine. This machine is spreading is going on. Then if required, fabric is open. Now it is making again tube for the dyeing purpose. It is making a tube here. And another thing is I had making bass. See, ready bass. A lots of bass are here. See, a lots of bass. All are bass. This fabric ready-made, ready base for dyeing, and based on the dyeing machine capacity, there are different chamber for dyeing machine and different capacity. Based on that capacity, the base is made. See all the base here are ready. I mean pre-dyeing before dyeing. Then another part is there. See chemical part, chemical and dye stuff. See this chemical and dye stuff all should be ready. Dyeing machine. If it's a dyeing machine, it should be ready. And whenever the dyeing would be started, automatically it's automatic automation process. At the time of the dyeing machine will pull the dye stuff from the this chamber. Here, see all the chamber. This lots of drum are here. All drum used to keep here chemical and dye stuff. And this chemical dye stuff is ready according the same recipe that was developed for the at the time of sample section. And merchandiser took the approval from the buyer on the same color. The recipe was made. By checking the photo spectrometer, photo spectrometer, and the recipe was fixed at the time of sampling. Same recipe have to follow here, and actually the lab will make the dye and recipe chemical. The dyeing is going on here. This is actually main part of this process. Dyeing, but here see different chamber is here. This different chamber, and this chamber how the full work is going on here. I'm one by one I'm sharing. Just see, first of all, here this machine you have to fill up the water, then have to load the base, and after loading the base, you have to first of all there's some pre-treatment. Pre-treatment, the first part is scouring. Scouring means you have to use water, then some chemical like sodium hydroxide, hydrogen peroxide. And what does mean scouring? Scouring actually, on the with the grease fabric, there are some substance, some matters that may strain to get color absorbency or water absorbency. So I have to remove that one. That is scouring part. After doing scouring, water absorbency increase, and dye stuff also would get cast in proper area. That's why scouring is very necessary. After scouring, then there have to do a cold wash. See here, cold wash. Then after doing cold wash, there is another part is neutralization. Neutralization very important part before main dyeing process. That is using you have to use hot water. Then have to check the acidity. Acidity is there is a range. It's a 4.5 to it's 6 or something before 7. 4.5 to 8. There is range. Within this range, if is there, I have to check the pH. Here is given 4.5. It means neutralize. After neutralize, then have to inject the labeling agent. Labeling agent means a sorts of chemical, a chemical compound that improve the evenness and consistency of the fabric. Dyeing that may dyeing and pigment or dye the fabric. For the smooth actually, the labeling agent have to inject. Then have to add dye dosing. Dye dosing means you have to add salt, then soda dosing like this. See here, and about the whole who are in dyeing engineer, but dyeing part or master of dyeing, they know very. chemical engineer dyeing instant, they are actually taking part of this one. Then after the electrolyte have to do the neutralization again, then shopping, then wash and unloading. The shopping, what is shopping? Shopping is actually, shopping means removal, have to remove the excess unfinished dye. After dyeing, there is may have some excess dye present on the fabric surface that have to remove. That is shopping. Then again wash, then unload the fabric. In unloading the fabric, that second part, the next part already started, that is slitting. Slitting machine is a very important part. It's a very big machine. You can see it's dyeing, fabric dyeing. Yeah, later it would go for slitting. Fabric dyeing, I'm going here. Fabric is going here, and there's a knife. This knife is again cutting the fabric for it fabric was tube, and the fabric was for I mean for opening the knife here. Knife cut the fabric again, facilitate the fabric. And here some process is going on through this machine, like you know here first fabric is squeezing mean fabric, I mean আমরা গোসল করব যে চিপি না চিপি, that one squeezing. The fabric is squeezing, then removal excess water. Dyeing করার পর the excess water, dyeing, yeah, after dyeing there may be excess water that also have to remove from here. Then cut the fabric for untubing or for opening. That part is actually taking part here. Again, squeezing, removal excess water, slitting, or cut the fabric, tube fabric for untube. Make the fabric ready for the stentering. So the fabric would go the next part for stentering. So now I'm going to next part, stentering machine. See here, stenter machine. It's a particular fabric. It's stenter machine. There are two stenter machine here. One is here. It's for the cotton fabric here. First one is it's only for the cotton fabric. Cotton fabric because they have not need to do the heat setting part. And another part is whenever the lacquer fabric is here. See this here, standard machine for lacquer fabric. So I'm going this machine actually, lacquer part. It is lacquer fabric. So here, see the fabric. So here, see, you can see the water here. So here, what is happening? Softening, dipping, squeezing. Squeezing means fabric. You have to squeeze the fabric for removing the water. Here, see here is watering is coming here. So here through this process, opening, dipping, squeezing, then the part you say it's the same machine, a big machine. It's the middle part of this machine, heat setting. Heat setting, the EPS lacquer fabric have to do the heat set to fix up the dia. It's a black fabric. You can see the fabric. So fabric width, I mean dia. What is the dia? Should be 16 or 18, 86 inch might be. Have to fix the fabric width here. It is going on here. Then it's a long chamber in the last part of this machine, the same machine. Last part of the long chamber. In this long chamber, what is happening? In this long chamber, the fabric is firing, then drying, then there is shade variation if it's there. Adjustment would going here, adjustment would here, and fabric would also fixing here. Again, I'm saying firing, drying, shade variation, adjustment, and fixing fabric width. So this long chamber, it is going on. Then this part is taken care of. Then I'm going the last part of the machine. See, fabric is output is coming here. Outcome, the machine outcome here. Fabric is coming. It's a black fabric. Now fabric is coming here. See the fabric. Yeah. Then I am moving to the last part of the compacting machine. See that it is the last part of the dyeing process, compacting machine. Compacting, it is the output is coming here, white fabric. Yeah, see, white fabric output is coming here. And I'm going to another machine, that is yarn dyed fabric. That's also compacting machine, another machine. And here, yarn dyed fabric, the see outcome, output, the finished fabric is coming here. Is the last part. But if I'm going back behind to show the process of compacting. Yes, I'm going the back side of that machine. You can see here. See the machine, the what is going on here. Here high temperature, here hot water is using here. That's why it's smoking. See the smoke. And here what is happening? Yes, the controlling, fabric controlling part is taking here, like shrinkage controlling, fabric GSM controlling, fabric dia shaking, and finally supply the finished fabric. See, that's all actually total dyeing process. And again, I would like to do a sum up. Like here, how many parts are here? First of all, you can remember that. First of all, the Uh, First of all, we receive the fabric from grey part. After receiving the fabric, first part is using nozzle machine. Fabric is fading and batch making. Second part was yes, beside the dyeing machine, the chemical and dye stuff should get ready for the dyeing. Then third part is dyeing part. Main part is here. Dyeing would get there. Then after dyeing, the fourth part is slitting machine. Slitting machine already I show what is what part and what tasks are there. Then after slitting, printer machine. After slitting, the final part is compacting. I mean finishing the fabric. Then it is go to last part is inspection. After inspection, fabric would go to the garmenting for time garmenting. That's all. So dear friends, please see this video and my previous video dyeing process part by step with a PowerPoint that I showed another one. If you see these two video, I hope and believe that you would get the master of total dyeing process. That's all. Thank you.